When we talk about mutually exclusive events, here we're talking about two events that cannot occur at the same time. So in those cases, we'll use this formula. For non-mutually exclusive cases, we'll use this one. So let's look at the example of rolling a six-sided die here. What's the probability of rolling an even or an odd number? Well, since you can't get a number that's both even and odd, this is in fact mutually exclusive. So I'm just going to apply the first formula here. Probability of A plus the probability of B. So getting an even number would be 3 out of 6 because there's 3 even numbers on the die, 2, 4, and 6. There are 3 odd numbers on the die, so that's 3 out of 6. So adding those together, I get a probability of 1, rolling an even or an odd number. Now in the second example here, I got the probability of rolling a prime number or an even number. So if we list out all the prime numbers on a die, all of those numbers greater or equal to 2, they're only divisible by 1 in itself, we get 2, 3, and 5. Even numbers on the die are 2, 4, and 6. So we can see here that 2 is both an even number and a prime number. So I'm going to apply the second formula here because these are non-mutually exclusive. So rolling a prime number is 3 out of 6, an even number is 3 out of 6, and I subtract 1 out of 6 because there's one number that was both even and prime. So we get 5 out of 6. Now here we can apply the formula on the previous page, or we can display the information in a Venn diagram like was done in chapter 1. So all the percents here in this Venn diagram should add up to be 100%. So if I take the information that I have here, the 63, the 27, and the 20%, if they are more than 100, which they are, they're actually 110%, then that means that they are non-mutually exclusive. 10% must go in the overlap here. Now, if 63% plays sports, so I'm going to label this one sports and this one instruments. That means that this is 53. 27% play instruments, so that's 17. And 20% play neither, so that goes out here. So this whole Venn diagram should now add up to be 100%. So here we want the probability that a student plays both sports or musical instrument. So that's the case of we're looking at this whole circle and this whole circle. So we want to include the 53, the 10, and the 17. So that means 80% play sports or a musical instrument.